catalyst in our company has been multilateral technology. And so what that technology does is it allows us to dramatically reduce the input costs associated with oil and gas constructions. Right now, it takes them 15 days to move the rig over, skid, and drill that back down to the Montney. With our technology, they're going to be able to do that in 24 hours. My name is Kyle Clam, CEO of Modern Wellbore Solutions.
Right now, it can take up to 2 weeks to drill an oil or natural gas site. Modern Wellbore's mission, built around the development of multilateral junction tools, seeks to help companies get that time down to below 24 hours. Companies like 7 Generations Energy, a key investor. Modern Wellbore has been collaborating with 7 Generations Energy and PTAC, Petroleum Technology Alliance Canada, who have helped them network with other companies with similar sustainability and efficiency goals.
I'm Marc Godin. I work with PTAC, the Petroleum Technology Alliance Canada. The Modern Wellbore solution is making more with less. It increases production, it increases, if you're financially oriented, revenue and royalties, but at a lower cost with less equipment and also, very importantly, less environmental impact.
I'm Marty Proctor. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of 7 Generations Energy. What they're really going to allow us to do is to drill our Montney wells much more efficiently.
With multilateral drilling, you have multiple wells underground, all stemming from a single above-ground site. It's more environmentally efficient because you can reach a lot of underground resources from a single drill site. But it could be more efficient if you could move resources around underground without having to bring them up to the surface. This is where Modern Wellbore's technology comes in. Modern Wellbore creates junctions, almost like on a train track, that allow you to redirect fluids and tools underground, wherever they're needed.
On the completion side, we amortize the production string, and that increases the lifting efficiency. The lifting efficiency then reduces the greenhouse gas emissions. So it really is a win across multiple domains. There's about 150 services that go into constructing an oil and gas well, and this technology creates efficiencies across all those services.
7 Generations has drilled over 500 wells so far, and we've got several thousand wells to drill still. And the opportunity that Modern Wellbore brings is to help us to drill those wells more efficiently. So as we apply the technology that they are developing over the next several thousand wells that we will drill, we can reduce the number of wellheads we have at the surface. We can improve the economic efficiency of the wells that we are drilling by having 2 or more, possibly, laterals off of each of the intermediate wells that we will drill. So it should make our operations more efficient while reducing our greenhouse gas emissions.
We received $3.5 million from ERA, and the total project value is $12.2 million.